You are trying to make me do things that I don't want to do.
An angry outburst from a murder suspect in court today as he refuses to take a competency evaluation.
Well, a judge says Lance Hunley will be examined by experts to see if he can stand trial, even though the defendant insists he wants nothing to do with it. 27
First News reporter Jerry Ricciuti was the only TV reporter in court this morning as Lance Hunley started shouting at the judge.
It took only a few minutes for Lance Hunley's temper to boil over in court this morning after one of his lawyers told Judge Maureen Sweeney his client refused to be examined over the weekend.
The issue has to be resolved. It cannot be abandoned. I think we all know that. I am having some trouble convincing Mr. Hunley of that. But
come on, I got something to say.
Sit down.
I got something to say.
Hunley faces capital murder charges in the beating death of Erica Huff last November. Prosecutors say Hunley also beat the victim's mother and then set fire to her house to cover up the crimes. Several times during this morning's brief hearing, deputies had to restrain the defendant and warn him to lower his voice.
Do you want to be in a straitjacket? Because that's your next step.
Ever since his indictment, Hunley's gone through a number of lawyers after they initially filed a not guilty by reason of insanity plea, something the defendant has said repeatedly he doesn't want. But to withdraw the insanity defense, experts must show he's competent to stand trial.
And y'all people trying to make me do things. I'm sorry. You are trying to make me do things that I don't want to do.
At one point, Hunley also complained about being given medication he didn't ask for. Deputies say the pills are for allergies.
You are setting me up for failure.
For now, the judge ordered the defendant be taken to a maximum security mental health facility in Columbus for his evaluation, where she says he'll have to stay until he cooperates. In Youngstown, Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.